I'm gonna try and do that little transition thingy. Ow! What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This one's a little bit crazy. A lot crazy, actually. I was looking in the mirror a couple weeks ago and I was just like, I'm bored of what I look like. I just want to switch it up. So I thought I should change my hair. So I'm going to be dyeing my hair, but I'm not going to go like blonde or ombre or whatever. I'm going to be dyeing it red. I'm going to have red hair. I'm using like this one, but like I'm not making any huge commitments because it's one of those like washout ones. So it'll be gone in like 2 weeks, but it'll still be fun and I'll switch things up. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna use L'Oreal semi-permanent hair color. No one cares, no one's actually gonna dye their own hair. I'm not gonna do this as a tutorial. I already washed my hair, so it's all clean. Now I have to put like this stuff on my head so that my whole face doesn't turn red. Okay, now my mom's in here and we're gonna get started. Okay, let's get some music playing. Don't you like this song? Oh, you and me, we got a big reputation now. Like bang, try to forget it, but we just can't burn. I'm just gonna remember where I put it. Reputation precedes me, where I don't love the drama. It loves me, and I can't let you go. Handprints my soul, so here's the truth from my red lips. In the music video at that part, she didn't even have red lipstick on when she sang that part. And her lips are red. Naturally. No, they're not. They're pink. Unless you have some weird lips. No way. She's fake. Got my gloves on. We're on the second bottle now. I already dyed my hand. That's why I had to put on gloves. We're almost done. I'm about to do it myself. I'm a big girl. I honestly don't think this is gonna work. But it'll just like leave like a red tint when I'm in like direct sun. I don't think you'll be able to see it. That stinks, but it's alright. I'm gonna have to hide my ears for the next couple days because they're gonna be bright red. Gotta get my shower cap on. Gotta set a timer for 30 minutes, but I think I'm gonna do 35. Do 40. 40? Okay, I'll do 40. Okay. Okay, so it's been about 45 minutes and I need to rinse it out now. It looks pretty red. I don't think it's gonna be red. I think it's gonna look the exact same. But it would be cool if it did. This is what it looks like. It's like blood. It's so red.
What did it say? Rinse until water runs clear? Or?
Yeah, that's like exactly what it said. Okay, it's probably good. I'm gonna comb it first. Oh, this is gonna be painful. Ooh, I hope it stays this red. This is crazy. It worked. It worked. This is like what it said it would be for my hair, and this is what it is for my hair. I have red hair. This is weird. It's so red. Okay, so I was trying to plug in my straightener with this thing and it wouldn't fit right there because it's like tall, you know? So I pulled this off and this came off of this. Like, what do I do? I'm gonna get electrocuted. I don't know if you guys can see how red it is, but it's so red. I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna get ready, so. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I think it's so cute, and that dye worked so good. I love it. See you guys, bye.